Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change by dy over dx. This one we change by e to the power of s over e to the power of y. Next, e to the power of y we put on the left. This one I will put on the right. Dx I will put on the right. So we have like this. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So I will concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we know that this one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we keep the same, e to the power of s dx. So this one I will change by u. This one with dx we change by du. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of y. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.